Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Wi-Fi issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, select general. Go down, select transfer or reset iPhone. Here select reset. From this list select reset network settings. Enter screen lock password. Then select reset network settings. Select it. Now reset is in progress. Please wait. It's reset only the network settings. So this way we can reset network settings and fix all Wi-Fi related issues. For example, Wi-Fi is not connecting, Wi-Fi network is too slow. In those situations you can try to reset network settings and fix those issues. Even if you are facing issues with Bluetooth or mobile data, in those situations also you can try to reset network settings and fix those issues. Now phone is starting. Please wait. Okay, it's ready. Let me log in. So this way we can reset network settings and fix all Wi-Fi related issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.